Hey guys, we are currently at the Chow Kit and let me bring you through a tour of my room, the den. It's a fairly compact room, but it is really well designed. So immediately you have this really nice looking bed, and they've also included us some really lovely Valentine's decorations. We didn't even ask for this, thank you so much. Just have a quick look around here. There's a TV, a sofa, a table, the dresser, the minibar is at the bottom, and another mirror with the sink. So the sink is here, and the toilet is in here. A really nice shower with your toilet. And yeah, as you realize, the sink is not here because it's on the outside. Now let's have a quick look at the view. Apparently this is one of the better views for their rooms here. So you can see the KL, probably the traffic jam a little bit later. So that is a quick tour of our room, the den. If I'm not mistaken, it is the smallest room that they offer. And yeah, I really like how it looks like. Hello!
Hello.
Say bye!
Bye.
There's this piece of artwork that I didn't really show just now during the room tour. And I mean, just look at it and let me know what you think this is. Initially, it looks like something after we open the parcel. I'm quite sure it's cardboard, but I'm not sure what's the significance of it. There's definitely a meaning. This Chow Kit Road Hotel is
19.
There's a lot of history behind it. It's not COVID-19, but it was made in 2019. And if you guys know what this is, please let me know.